So today I'm going to show you how to create a post digital or texture floor plan or whatever you call by using color selection. So for this one, when you choose select, you go to color range. So I want to change the color of the road over here. So just click on the color over there and then adjust the fuzziness and choose this choose the stuff. Let's do it again. Color range. Then there you go. But maybe for this one, I think I just use the magic wand. It's much better for me to define. Okay, so when you choose the path that you want to change the color, you just click on solid color and choose your color of your liking. And okay, so the next part of the side plan of the plan that I want to change should be the middle part one. So just use some tool to choose the area and then continually select color to define the color. And so now we have two color, right? Now moving on to the next step is adding texture. You're going to choose a wood texture for the middle parts. So let's see. I'm going to choose this one for sample. You paste it, you paste the texture like the layer is like next to the one you want to do, and then you choose two of them. Control G, you're gonna make them into a group. You can change the color over here. So you hold Alt and you click on the layers. Hold Alt and click on the layers to assign the material onto the plants. Next thing is choose the bending mode. Let's see. There's so many type of bending modes out here, so you can test and you can try, see what's suit for your drawings. Okay, moving on to the next one is the best way. I want it to be concrete look. So and remember one thing, um, you need to you need to scale your texture map or over the solid color, like to cover all of them, like this. Yep, and then hold Alt, add a let, click, and then change the bending mode also. So now you got a floor plan with texture. So thank you very much to see my videos. I hope it helped you guys a lot. Thank you.